Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can message on TikTok even if you're under the age of 16. So you need to follow these steps if you want to message. And yeah, you need to have a phone number if you want to message on TikTok. Maybe you guys know that if you don't have a phone number, then you can't use the message feature on TikTok. So yeah, let's start the video now. First, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. So yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So the first thing is log out of your TikTok account. Once you log out of your TikTok account, you can click on me over here. Once you click on me, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can click on don't have an account over here down and click on sign up. Now once over here, you can click on use phone or email. Once you click on use phone or email, you need to enter a birthday which makes you over 18. So you can choose 2000. That's pretty much easy. So I click on 2000 over here. Over here, enter your phone number which you entered on your previous TikTok account. By that I mean, the TikTok account through which you want to message, you must have entered a phone number in that. Enter the same phone number over here, okay? And enter the phone number, and after entering the phone number, click on send code, and it's gonna send a code to your phone number on your, the number which you typed to verify if it is you or not. After that, it's gonna log into your TikTok account. So like this. Oh, and it sent a code like that. You guys can just see I have logged into my TikTok account over here. If I click on me over here, and as you guys can see, I just logged into my TikTok account. It's that simple. Now I can just go on home and message whoever I want using my TikTok account. Let's say I want to message him. I can click on where it says message, and I can type whichever message I want to him like this. And it's that simple. So that's basically what you do. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.